So today we will discuss new chapter sequence and series. Okay. So what is a sequence? So the set of numbers, okay, the set of numbers arranged in a pattern, okay, arranged in a pattern with some definite rules, okay, arranged in a pattern with some definite rules, then it is called a sequence, okay. A set of numbers arranged okay, arranged in a definite order, in a definite order according to some definite rule, definite rule is called a sequence, is called a sequence. Okay, a set of numbers arranged in a definite order according to some definite rule is called a sequence. Okay, now so for example, so 1 3 5 7 so on. So this is a sequence. So what is the rule here? If you take consecutive numbers, the difference is 2, that is 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, so on. Okay, so that is the definite rule here. So it is a sequence. Clear? Now this sequence is a function, it is a function from n to r. Sequence is a real valued function whose domain is natural numbers. So that is this is a sequence now. Okay, so this is the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, so on. So s is mapping from n to r. So n is the natural numbers. So 1 first term, second term, these terms goes to real numbers. So the numbers in the sequence are real numbers. So that is the sequence is a subset of the real numbers. Okay, fine. So simply sequence is a mapping from n to r. Okay. If this codomain is r, it is called real sequence. It is a real sequence. If codomain is complex numbers, then it is called complex sequence. Complex sequence. Okay, fine. Now series. So the sum of the terms in a sequence, the sum of the terms in a sequence is called a series. The sum of the terms in a sequence is called a series, is called a series. Clear? So that is if a1 a2 a3 so on is a sequence, okay, then the series is what is the series? The sum of the terms, that is a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus so on. So this is the series. Clear? Okay. Now so this series is a finite or infinite. Okay, now A series is finite or infinite. So that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus 20. So this is finite series. This is finite series because the number of terms in the series is finite. So it is called a finite series. Okay. Now suppose 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus so on. So this is infinite series. This is infinite series because the number of terms in this series are infinite. Okay. So if the number of terms in a series is finite, then it is called finite series. If the number of terms in a series is infinite, then it is called infinite series. Okay. Fine. Now the sequences which follow specific pattern are called a progressions. Okay, progression. Okay, progression. Sequences following a specific pattern. Specific patterns are called progressions. Yes. Okay. Sequences following a specific patterns are called progressions. So in general, we discussed here the progressions: arithmetic progression, which is called AP, geometric progression, GP. So AGP, arithmetico-geometric progression, and harmonic progression, HP, harmonic progression. Clear? So we will discuss all these progressions here. Okay, now we will discuss arithmetic progression. Okay, the sequence in which the difference of any two consecutive numbers is same is called a arithmetic progression. Okay, the difference between any two consecutive terms is same, then it is called arithmetic progression. So in general, this arithmetic progression, the terms in the arithmetic progression will be taken as a plus d, a plus 2d, so on. Okay, so here a is first term, and d is common difference, Okay, in this arithmetic progression, the nth term, which is denoted by Tn, equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, this is the nth term from beginning. It is from beginning. Okay, nth term from the beginning. Clear? Now so mth term, so this is from beginning. Okay, so mth term from end, so Tm dash is equal to L minus m plus 1 into d. Okay, L minus m plus 1 into d. So this is the L minus m minus 1 into d. So this is mth term from the end. Okay. Next, mth term from end is equal to n minus m plus 1 term from beginning. Okay, mth term from end equal to n minus m plus 1th term from beginning. Clear? Yeah. Next, so sum of the terms, okay, it will be denoted Sm equal to n by 2 into a plus L. Okay, where L is last term. Okay, otherwise n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the sum of the terms in the arithmetic progression. Clear? Okay, so next point. So ABC in AP, okay, ABC in AP implies 2B equal to A plus C. Okay. Then if A1, A2, A3, so on, An minus 1, An are in AP, okay, then the sum of the first term and last term, okay now? So that is the sum of the terms which are from beginning and end. Okay, sum of the same terms from beginning and end are equal. Okay now, so that is a1 plus an. So a1 is first term from beginning, an is the first term from end. Okay, first terms from beginning and end. The sum of these two is equal to a2 plus an minus 1. Okay, equal to a3 plus an minus 2 equal to so on. Clear? Okay. Fine. Next, if a1, a2, a3, so on, an are in AP, then an minus 1, so on, a2, a1 are also in AP. Okay. Next, if a1, a2, an, so on, an are in AP, then a1 plus or minus lambda, a2 plus or minus lambda, so on, an plus or minus lambda are also in AP. Next, lambda 1 a1, lambda 2 a2. Okay. So lambda a1, lambda a2, so on, lambda an are also in AP. Okay. Okay, next point. If pth term is q and qth term is P, then P plus qth term is 0. P plus qth term is 0. So, okay, now let us do one problem. If 100 times the 100th term of an AP, okay. So, what is given? 100 times the 100 term to, ante 100 into T100. 100 times 100th term of an AP with non-zero common difference is equal to the 50 times the 50th term. This is equal to 50 times 50th term. Okay. Then find 150th term. Then find T150. Yes. So this is the problem. Now 100 into, so let us consider the first term is A and common difference is D. Okay. So T100, so A plus 100 minus 1 into D is equal to 50 into A plus 50 minus 1 into D. Clear? Yeah. So we have to find this value. So what is T150? T150 is A plus 150 minus 1 into D. So which is equal to A plus 149D. You have to find the value of this one. Okay? Fine. So 51 is 52 is that. So 2A plus, so this is 100 minus 199. So which is 198D is equal to A plus 49D. Clear? 2A minus A is A plus 198 minus 49, 149D equal to 0. So from given condition we get the relation A plus 149D. But T150 also A plus 149D. So the value of this one is 0. So 150th term is 0. Clear? Okay. So next problem. Find the first negative term of the sequence. This is the given sequence. So this is in AP. Clearly this sequence in AP. Okay na? So what is the first term? A equal to 20 and common difference D equal to, okay. So this is the decreasing sequence. This is the decreasing sequence. So 19 1 by 4 minus 20. So which equal to minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4. The common difference is minus 3 by 4. Now what we have to find? We have to find first negative term. So that is we have to find the nth term which is less than 0. Okay. So Tn is less than 0. Negative term. So Tn is A plus n minus 1 into D less than 0. So you have to find the first n value where it becomes negative. So A is 20 plus n minus 1 into D is minus 3 by 4 is less than 0. Yeah. Now, so this is 80 minus 3 into n minus 1 less than 0. Clear? Yeah. Now, n minus 1, okay, n minus 1 is greater than 80 by 3. N minus 1 is greater than 80 by 3. Okay. So that is n greater than 80 by 3 plus 1. So n greater than 83 by 3. So n greater than, so this is (27) and 2/3. So n is integer, n is a positive integer. So n greater than 27 and 2/3. So that means what is the n value? The next positive integer is 28. So the first negative term is 28th term. Okay, clear? Okay, so next arithmetic mean. Okay, so if a b, okay, a b in AP, then so arithmetic mean of this two is a plus b by 2. Okay, if n numbers a1, a2, so on an in AP, then arithmetic mean of this n numbers is a1 plus a2 plus so on an by n. Okay, next, if a1 a2 so on an comma b are in AP, then that is n numbers inserted between two numbers a and b which are in AP. Okay, then a1 plus a2 plus so on plus an is equal to n by 2 into a plus b. Okay, n by 2 into a plus b. Okay, next, a plus a1 plus a2 plus so on plus an plus b equal to n plus 2 by 2 into a plus b. Okay, here how many numbers are there? N plus 2 numbers are there. So n plus 2 by 2 into first term and last term. Clear? Okay. Yeah. Next point, a1 power m, okay, plus a2 power m plus so on an power m by n. Okay, a1 power m plus a2 power m plus so on plus an power m by n is greater than a1 plus a2 plus so on an by n whole power m. Okay, now let us do one problem. So on this point, okay, so there are n arithmetic means inserted between 2 and 38. Okay, 2 and 38 n arithmetic means. Okay, inserted n arithmetic means in between 2 and 38. Okay, and their sum is 200. Then find the value of n. అంటే 2 కి 38 మధ్య ఎన్ని నెంబర్స్ ఇన్సర్ట్ చేస్తే వాటి సమ్ 200 అవుతుంది. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకేనా? నౌ ఓకే, there are n arithmetic means inserted between 2 and 38 and their sum is 200. Then find the value of n. So the sum of the total series, that is this one, so which is n plus 2 by 2 into a plus b అంటే 2 plus 38 is equal to 200. So n plus 2 by 2 into 40 is equal to 200. 5. So n plus 2 equal to 10. So n equal to 8. So there insert 8 arithmetic means. Clear? So this is the some properties regarding to the arithmetic progression. Okay.